how to change Facebook page name. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the Facebook page name. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the downward arrow button which can be seen beside the profile name. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, just select the page which you want to change the name to. And now here, once you have changed the page, then what you can do is just tap on the page icon, or you can even tap on three dash icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the menu section, then what you can do is simply scroll down, and there you can just tap on settings and privacy. And there under settings and privacy, just tap on settings, and here once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down, and there under audience and visibility, there you will see the option labeled as page setup. So simply tap on it, and now here on the next page, you'll see the option labeled as name. So simply tap on it, and here you can simply clear out your name, and after that you can simply put the new name, and after that you can just tap on review change and confirm it by tapping on change. But note that once you change your name, you can't change it for next 60 days. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.